The infotainment system in your Genesis vehicle offers wireless smartphone integration using Apple Carplay or Android Auto. To set up a new wireless Android Auto or Apple Carplay connection, as well as call and audio streaming, start by pairing your phone via Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and active on your smartphone device. Then press Setup, then Device Connections, and then select Add. On your phone, select your Genesis model and ensure that the Bluetooth pairing codes match on the phone and vehicle screen. For the best experience, it is recommended to sync contacts and messages with your smartphone. Compatible smartphones will display a prompt asking if you would like to enable wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. If enabled, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto should automatically connect and display on the vehicle infotainment screen. Wireless connectivity will be saved and connect automatically each time your Genesis is turned on and a registered smartphone device is connected. Note that if you are using the wireless charging pad and wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto simultaneously, charging or playback may be affected due to phone temperature. If this happens, please plug into a USB port and use a wired connection. When connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can activate their native voice assistants by pressing and holding the voice recognition button on the right side of the steering wheel. To return to the Genesis in-car infotainment system, head to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto home screen and then press the Genesis icon. Pressing the Map, Nav, Radio, Media, Setup, or Home buttons will also switch directly to the corresponding infotainment screen. To return to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, press the Home button and then use the touchscreen or central control knob to select it. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.